Dear students, today we will see aldehydes and their classification. So, what are aldehydes first? That we will see. If you remember, carbonyl group or carbonyl compounds C double bond O. C double bond O group is called carbonyl group. Is called as carbonyl group. Here, certain types are there of carbonyl compounds. If that carbonyl group is connected to OH, will be carboxylic acid. If that carbonyl group is connected to Cl, that will be acid chloride. If that is there to OR, will be ester. But if there is only carbonyl group C double bond O and no other special functional group connected to it, compound may be aldehyde or ketone. So here alternative class comes here and that are ketones. One more class comes there and that are ketones. So aldehydes and ketones are carbonyl compounds. That means compounds containing carbonyl group. So you have to remember what is that carbonyl group. Carbon tetravalent, two single bonds around it and double bond oxygen. So here presence of oxygen to carbon with a double bond is identity of carbonyl compounds. So then what are aldehydes and ketones? Okay, if here carbonyl carbon's one valency is satisfied by hydrogen, then compounds are called as aldehydes. Compounds are called as aldehydes. So what is aldehyde? Aldehydes are compounds containing carbonyl group connected to hydrogen. This group is also called aldehydic carbonyl group. What is it? Aldehydic carbonyl group. So then for this unused valency, there may be alkyl group, there may be aryl group, etc., cycloalkyl group, etc. So here important thing that you have to remember is for aldehyde there is a C double bond OH group. Okay, then come towards ketones. Okay, that we will see what ketones are. Again carbonyl group, carbon double bond oxygen, and to both unused valencies there are carbon skeletons. I am writing as R and R. Maybe aryl also. So here what is difference between aldehyde and ketone? In case of ketone there is a C double bond O. In case of aldehyde there is a C double bond O directly connected to hydrogen. So in case of ketone, this carbon having carbon of carbonyl group must be secondary, and for aldehyde carbonyl group must be primary. Means that is connected to only one other carbon. And in case of ketone, that carbonyl carbon is connected to two other carbons. So as a trick, in name aldehyde there is a H. Okay, and even there is a special H, that is hydrogen directly connected to carbonyl carbon. In ketone there is a no H and there is a no special H. Yes, hydrogens will be there of carbon skeleton, hydrocarbon part, but no direct hydrogen to carbonyl oxygen. So with it we will continue for detailed study of aldehydes. So first, uh, before we proceed, I would like to again summarize. Aldehyde and ketones are carbonyl compounds. In aldehyde, there is a hydrogen directly connected to carbonyl carbon. In case of ketone, there is no hydrogen directly connected to carbonyl carbon. So keep in mind what are their functional sites. So we'll proceed for aldehydes classification. So here we are going to learn classification of aldehydes. Okay, so how to classify them? Their functional group is fixed, and that functional group is carbon, double bond oxygen, and connected to hydrogen from other side. Then on what basis they are classified? They are classified on the basis of carbon skeleton present over there to unused valency at carbonyl carbon. So here only one member in that from both the side there are hydrogens, and this is molecule of one carbon. It is called formaldehyde. It is only aldehyde having hydrogens from both sides connected to carbonyl carbon. Then rest remaining all aldehydes are with certain kind of carbon skeleton hydrocarbon part directly connected to carbonyl carbon. So on the basis of that, on the basis of this part, here carbonyl groups are classified as aliphatic. Here in case of aldehyde will be aliphatic aldehyde, will be aromatic aldehyde, and will be alicyclic, or they are also called as cycloalkyl aldehydes. So here three types as per our syllabus. We are going to learn aliphatic aldehydes, aromatic aldehydes, and alicyclic aldehydes or cycloalkyl aldehydes. So on the basis of carbon skeleton, hydrocarbon part here directly connected to carbonyl carbon of aldehydic group. Aldehydes are classified into three types: aliphatic, aromatic, and alicyclic. So we'll see how those kind of carbon skeletons looks like. So here first we will see I am drawing certain carbon skeletons here. I am writing molecule of 6 carbon here. Okay, here again I am writing molecule of 6 carbon. Here again I am writing molecule of 6 carbon, like this. Okay, here I am making it aldehydic carbonyl. I am writing here aldehydic carbonyl. I can't write double bond O2 ring carbon, then there will be no hydrogen. I am writing C double bond OH over here to this carbon. So all these are aldehyde molecules. Why all these are aldehyde molecules? Since they contain aldehydic group C double bond OH group. So aldehydic groups are there in all these molecules. But see what are the carbon skeletons. And for the valencies, remaining valencies, I am putting hydrogens here. I have to write 3 hydrogens. I have to write 2. I have to write 2. I have to write, and here also 2. So here you will understand this first example is not cyclic, but it is open chain. It is open chain, not closed chain. Now second example is cyclic, and even third example is cyclic. So that open chain carbon skeleton is present. Aldehydes are called as aliphatic aldehydes. So what are these? Aliphatic aldehydes, open chain aldehydes. Okay, in case of cyclic aldehydes, two types are possible. If you remember, first and most important aromatic hydrocarbon, that is benzene, then here you have to write alternate double bonds and remaining valencies for hydrogens. So here 1H and here 1H. So here it is benzene. What is it? Benzene. Simply that you can write like this: hexagonal ring having circle inside it, and here I am connecting their functional group, and that is aldehyde. Now such type of compounds in which if aldehydic group is directly connected to aromatic ring, it is a carbon of benzene, is a carbon of aromatic ring. Such type of aldehydes are called as aromatic aldehydes. Are called as aromatic aldehydes. So what are aromatic aldehydes? If aldehydic group is directly connected to aromatic ring, aromatic rings carbon, aldehydes are called as aromatic aldehydes. What are those? Aromatic aldehydes. Okay. So here come to the third type. Okay. In case of third type, here I have drawn a structure having 6 carbons, but I am writing no double bonds alternate here. CH2, CH2 and CH2. So it is like what? Carbon, single bond carbon, like what? Hydrocarbons. But here there is a no double bond, no aromatic characters. So here it is cyclic structure, but shows properties of aliphatic hydrocarbons. This particular part, so this particular part is called alicyclic. Alicyclic skeleton or cycloalkyl. It is a like alkane, carbon-carbon single bond, so it is like alkane, but cyclic, so cycloalkyl you can write. So cycloalkyl aldehyde or alicyclic aldehyde means properties of open chain, carbon single bond carbon compounds, but structure is cyclic, so alicyclic. And to that alicyclic carbon, here functional group, aldehydic group is directly connected. So such type of aldehydes are called as alicyclic aldehydes. So here students, you have to remember what is functional group. Okay, before I finish it, this short video, I would like to summarize. Aldehydes are carbonyl compounds containing aldehydic carbonyl group. So what is aldehydic carbonyl group? That you have to remember. That is carbon double bond oxygen and hydrogen, COH, also represented as CHO, also represented as CHO. Okay, so this is about functional group, a class of carbonyl compound. Okay, now then the next point, how they are classified. They are classified into 3 types. Okay, for classification, this functional site will remain common, C double bond OH, C double bond OH, etc. But what is hydrocarbon part connected to that carbonyl carbon on the basis of this particular aspect, they are classified into 3 types: aliphatic aldehydes. So open chain aldehydes. What are those? Open chain aldehydes. Now you see it is open chain aldehyde. There is no cyclic ring structure. So aliphatic aldehydes. Second class, aromatic aldehydes. Carbonyl group is directly connected to aromatic ring. Here it is directly connected to aromatic ring. Such type of aldehydes are called as aromatic aldehydes. Now the next is alicyclic. So here again ring structure, but having no aromatic characters, and to that ring structure, if there is a aldehydic group directly connected, then aldehydes are called as alicyclic aldehydes. They are also called as cycloalkyl aldehydes. So it is about how to classify them. So remember aldehyde group and remember carbon skeleton, and on the basis of this